Promote and telling your audience about your product and services by using video. Everyone is doing video marketing. Does every video marketing is effective? What is video marketing and why is it important? Well, video marketing is a method of digital marketing which is promote and telling your audience about your product and services by using video. It also may help you to increase your engagement of your digital or social channel. For example, if you are selling the cosmetic product, you may provide a testimonial video for your audience to let them know about the feedback of the product. So, when you're a company of digital service, you may provide a company culture video.
I'm the Chief Plasticity Officer at Happiness Lab.
So that your audience know about your company culture and more confident to choose your company. For the traditional services such as Carpentry, you may provide a behind-the-scenes video when the process of making carpentry. So, what is the tips or the hacks to let your video marketing works? First, allocate resource. Find the equipment, the software, and all the things you need in video production. Second, tell story. Brainstorming what you want to tell your audience and how you would like to tell them. And the third point is engage. Make your story in an interesting way and think about what will hook your audience. Next, keep it short. There is no set length for the video, but the general rule is shorter is better. Next step is publish it. Upload a video on the website and promote it. Last, analyze the data. You try the metric and the stack to determine which is best video and why, so that you will know what video you should do for the next time. Now, you sure will ask, what is the benefit? What is the result? And what will video marketing brings to your business? Well, the video marketing can stay visible for a longer time compared to others' methods. It also will increase the understanding of audience about your products and services. It is also growing in popularity across platforms. So, here's the end of the video. Hope that you guys had earned something through this video.
Hey, what are you looking for? The video is already end. If you are interested in our video content and want to watch more video from us, subscribe lah!
Oh yeah, don't forget to ring the bell if you want to get the notification when we upload the new video.
Bye!